Hi, Jack.
Hi, Emma.
Are you ready to go to the park?
Yes, I am.
The weather is beautiful today.
It really is.
Let's start walking.
Okay.
There are many people here.
Yes, it is busy today.
Look at those children.
They are having fun.
I like coming to the park.
Me too.
The flowers are very pretty.
They smell nice too.
Let's sit on that bench.
Good idea.
It feels relaxing here.
Yes, it does.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes on weekends.
I should come more often.
It's a great place to relax.
Look at the ducks in the pond.
They are swimming together.
They look happy.
I think so too.
I'm glad we came today.
Me too.
Would you like to take a walk around the pond?
Sure.
Let's go.
The path is nice and clean.
Yes, it is.
I can hear the birds singing.
I love that sound.
Nature is wonderful.
I agree.
Are you hungry?
A little.
I brought some sandwiches.
Really?
Yes.
That's great.
Let's sit and eat.
Okay.
Here is your sandwich.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It tastes very good.
I'm glad you like it.
This has been a lovely day.
Yes, it has.
Thank you for inviting me.
Anytime, Emma.
We should come here again.
Definitely.
I feel happy and relaxed.
Me too.
Hi, Jack.
Hi, Emma.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
What are you doing today?
I need to go to the supermarket.
Really? I need a few things too.
Great. Let's go together.
Sounds good.
Here we are.
The supermarket is busy today.
Yes, there are many people.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I do.
What do you need?
I need bread, milk, and bananas.
I need eggs and some juice.
Let's get a shopping cart.
Good idea.
The bread is in this aisle.
I see it.
I will take one loaf.
I will take one too.
Now let's get some milk.
The milk is over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What kind of juice do you like?
I like orange juice.
Me too.
Let's get some.
Okay.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need bananas.
They are in the fruit section.
Let's go.
These bananas look fresh.
Yes, they do.
I think we have everything now.
I think so too.
Let's go to the cashier.
Okay.
The line is not very long.
That's good.
We are next.
Great.
Everything is paid for.
That was quick.
Yes, it was.
Thank you for coming with me.
You're welcome.
Shopping is easier with a friend.
I agree.
What will you do when you get home?
I will make lunch.
That sounds nice.
Have a great day, Emma.
You too, Jack.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and booking, please?
Good morning. Here is my passport and my booking is on my phone.
Thank you. Can you show me the screen?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Perfect. You're flying to Paris today, departing at 11:45. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Do you have bags to check in or only hand luggage?
I have one big suitcase to check in and a small bag for the cabin.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay. Like this?
Yes. I'm sorry, but your suitcase is 24 kilograms. The limit is 23.
Oh no. It's just 1 kilogram over.
You can pay $15 for the extra weight or remove something from the suitcase.
Only $15? I'll just pay. That's much easier.
Of course, card or cash.
Card, please.
Thank you. All done. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Which gate is my flight?
Gate 14. But the gate opens at 10:30. It's only 9:15 now.
So I have more than an hour. Where is security?
Go straight ahead, turn right, and follow the signs. About a 5-minute walk.
Great. And where is duty-free shopping?
After security, on your left, lots of shops and cafes there.
Perfect. I'll get some breakfast. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight to Paris. Good morning. Please come in and sit down.
Good morning. Thank you for seeing me today.
Of course. Did you find the office easily?
Yes, no problem. I came by bus. It was very straightforward.
Good. Can you tell me a little about yourself first?
Of course. My name is Tom Wilson. I'm 26 years old and I studied business administration at university.
And what work experience do you have?
I worked for 2 years as a receptionist at a hotel. I answered phones, helped guests, and organized bookings.
That sounds very relevant. What skills do you have that are useful for this job?
I'm very organized and I work well with computers. I know Microsoft Office well, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint.
Good. Do you prefer working in a team or working alone?
I enjoy both. At the hotel, I worked in a team every day. But I can also work independently when needed.
Can you describe a difficult situation at work and how you handled it?
Yes. Once, a guest was very angry because their room was not ready. I stayed calm, apologized, and offered them a free drink while they waited. They were happy in the end.
Excellent. That shows good communication skills. Why do you want this job?
I want to work in an office and grow in my career. Your company has a great reputation, and I think I can contribute a lot.
Good answer. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. What would a typical day look like in this role?
You would answer emails and calls, organize meetings, and help the management team with documents.
That sounds interesting. What are the working hours?
9 to 5, Monday to Friday, with some flexibility if needed.
That works perfectly for me.
Wonderful. We will contact you by Friday with our decision.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Likewise, we'll be in touch. Have a good day. Good afternoon. I'd like to join the library. How do I do that?
Good afternoon. Welcome. It's very easy. I can help you right now.
That's great. What do I need?
Just a form of ID and proof of your address.
I have my passport and a letter from my bank. Is that okay?
Perfect. That's exactly what we need. Can I see them?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. I'll type your information into the system now.
How long does it take?
Just 2 or 3 minutes. Almost done. Here is your library card.
Oh, great. Thank you. So, what can I do with this card?
You can borrow up to 8 books at a time.
8 books. That's a lot.
Ha, yes. Most people take 2 or 3.
How long can I keep the books?
3 weeks. Then you must return them or renew online.
What happens if I return them late?
There is a small fine, 10 cents per day per book.
Okay, I'll be careful. Can I use the internet here too?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi and 12 computers. You can use them for up to an hour per day.
That's very useful. Are there any events here?
Yes, we have a reading club every Tuesday evening and a children's story hour on Saturdays.
Wonderful. I have a 6-year-old son. He would love the story hour.
It starts at 10 a.m. and lasts about 45 minutes. Very popular with children.
We'll definitely come this Saturday. Thank you so much.
Our pleasure. Enjoy the library.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.